Greetings, everybody. Megtooth Sith here. Hey, listen, I want to do an addendum. You know, everybody's doing this thing because initially on my TeensySaber programming video, I showed putting the lightsaber folder in the Arduino folder, and that's causing permissions files on all kinds of compilation issues for people. I keep my lightsaber folder on the desktop now. There it is. You know, I can click on it, and there it is. Boom, blades, buttons, common config, and then my configs still go in that config folder, but I don't actually put the lightsaber folder in my Arduino folder. That's causing permissions issues because computers don't like Arduino at all. So don't put the lightsaber folder in your Arduino folder. It can go in desktop, it can go in your documents on your computer, it can go anywhere. So at any rate, also want to do a quick vid on what a successful Proffie compilation looks like. I'm getting ready to compile my Dark Force Saber's Transcendence. Oops. Because I am going to commenting that out. So let's see, Dark Force Saber's Transcendence, where is it? Boom, new line, number sign, define, space, config, all caps, underscore, file, config, and I think this one's called dft underscore config.h, quote. Let's go make sure that that's what I called it, dft underscore config. Let's go in my config folder, dft underscore config.h. That's right. So I'm going to go back into Arduino. So in Proffie, the thing you have to do is go here to the tools section. And number one, you need to make sure that you're uploading to a Proffie board, which you can see there. I'm uploading to a Proffie board. USB serial, 80 megahertz. I'm going to use faster code. You need to make sure it's DOFS SD card SPI, SD card SPI, and then you got to make sure that you've got a port recognized. So you can see there my port's not lit up. That means I don't have a Proffie plugged in. So here we go. I'm going to plug in my Proffie. You should probably hear my computer recognize it when I plug it in. I hope. There it goes. So now the Proffie's plugged in. I'm going to go to Tools, Port, and COM3 Butterfly. So a lot of times the Proffie shows up as this butterfly, L433CC. You want to make sure you're selecting that. Then, you know, when we had TeensySaber, we just click this verify to compile our code, and then you got a pop-up. You know, around here it says press button to program Teensy. Well, this is no longer a TeensySaber, so we just press the upload button right here to the right. And the upload will do two things. Number one, it compiles your configuration file to make sure it's good, and Frederick's lightsaberino, which of course his lightsaberino is fine. If you're getting errors, it's in your config file. And then it's going to upload to the board. So I'm hoping you're going to see a successful upload and compilation here. Here it goes. It's testing my compilation. I'm probably going to edit and fast forward through all this because y'all know it takes a bit for the computer to check all that. All right, so now it's done compiling and now it's uploading, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to scroll down and you can see, you know, down at the bottom of the screen, you see these percentages getting higher and the equal signs growing, and I'm having to actively scroll to see this. So basically what's happening here is it's currently uploading. We're at 28%, 30%, 32%, 33, 34, 36, 41, 42, 45, 48, 49, 51. We're getting there. It's uploading. Oh my God, we're almost getting ready to have some glory. Oh boy. 67, 70, 74. Oh boy. We're getting close. So you can see how the equal signs are growing larger toward your percentage. This means your upload is proceeding successfully. You know, here we go. Oh, we're getting close. She's almost done. boy. Now you see it's number one, you get the 100% message done. There it is. And then it says download done, file downloaded successfully, transitioning to DFU manifest state. When you get all that, you've had a successful upload onto your Proffie board. And then you can go to tools. Let's go to our serial monitor and let's go. I just put the new
be careful not to choke on your aspirin. Vengeance.
Oh boy, so here's Sith Vengeance. Oh man, this thing is awesome. Sith, you did an outstanding job, as usual. Awesome. Saber works. Sith's new font is uploaded. Oops, guess I better turn it on. We're in business, definitely. So now I'm going to unplug my Proffie board. I'm going to put the hilt back on so I can go out and swing this lightsaber around. But the bottom line is that's how you upload to Proffie, and that's what a successful upload looks like. So it's not, you know, if you get that 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 fail, your upload didn't work. Your lightsaber folder doesn't need to be in the Arduino folder. It can be on your desktop or in documents. Hope that helps everybody. May the force be with you, or the dark side as it were. See ya.